Welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet, or welcome if you're new. And welcome back to Junk Journal July. For day 21, the prompt is color. So let's dive into today's journaling session and get creative in my junk journal. For today's journaling spread, I decided to use the little color sample I got from the construction store that I had in one of the envelopes of my junk journal. So I did get out this lovely burgundy, and then I grabbed my new arrtx acrylic markers. I'm absolutely loving all those colors, and they came in perfectly for today's prompt. So let's dive right in. If you want a closer look at the markers and all the different colors, I have talked about them quite a bit in my Junk Journal July video of day 19. I will leave a link in the description down below if you want to check that out, and I also will be doing an advanced standalone testing video for those markers as well, coming soon in August, when there is another opportunity for all of you to get the markers at a discount rate. I will share that with you. I'm very happy that arrtx did send me those markers to test them out, because I'm absolutely obsessed with them. The coverage is really amazing. For this one, like you see here, the light color goes perfectly onto the darker background, because the paper was quite smooth, so I had to layer those colors a little bit. Then I would definitely recommend to make sure your first layer is really dry before going back in, because otherwise you get some streaks in your painting while you are pushing the not yet dry paint away with your marker strokes. So be patient if you use them, and also later on you can see me having to wait a little bit after another paint layer when I'm drawing the colorful hair on top of the face. If I don't want to mix the different colors, then you have to let the layer beneath the new one dry as well. But sometimes it could also be fun to mix around the different colors. Then it's often obviously good to go in right away and mix everything together. I'm really happy with how today's spread turned out, and the colorful hair I did for the girl on this portrait was quite fun to do, and to mix and match all those different colors into the hair was quite fun as well. And that's what I'm trying to go for these junk journal videos, my junk journaling at the moment in general, just trying to have fun with it, to get myself to create something just without putting too much pressure on myself for the outcome. Just being happy with spending some time creating, even if the outcome is not that perfect as I might had it constructed in my head, kind of. I'm just trying to go in without a very specific plan, because if I don't go in with a super specific plan that is quite perfect, I can't get there, and then I'm not dissatisfied with my work. I hope that makes sense, kind of. If I don't set my expectations for my junk journal spread too high, then I can't be disappointed with what comes out of it. That's the sum of what I wanted to say here, I guess. And for working on my own expectations for my art and my perfectionism, this daily creative challenge is really, really helpful. And it also, as well as giving me the opportunity to create daily and forces me to kind of create daily, it also had the nice effect on the side that I'm getting much more creative, and my drive to create something and do some drawings in my sketchbook has really increased, and that I'm really enjoying at the moment. It's lovely to just spend more time creating than I did beforehand when I tried to make everything a masterpiece. So I would encourage everyone to set yourself a little challenge that is not based in perfectionism and create more. If you create more, there is, on one hand, you can't put too much pressure on yourself and can't expect the world out of all the stuff you do if you do something daily. And on the other side, you will create even more, so that you have more possibilities to make something great. Hit a spot for yourself or for others in what you are creating. So grab your journal, your sketchbook or your junk journal and hopefully create alongside with me. Or if you haven't, there is a bunch of other creative videos on my channel that you can listen to in the background while you are creating. Just let me keep you company while being creative. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on this creative journey, as well as many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. See you tomorrow.